well, if you are joining us for the first time, please remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell down below. Today I want to show you how to make creamy mushrooms. This is the easiest mushroom recipe that you'll ever find. So I have mushrooms. I've already cut them. Depending on the size, you can cut them in halves or quarters, depending on your preference. I got some salt, 2 to 3 tablespoonfuls of non-dairy cooking cream. I have here my coconut milk, some unsalted butter. You can also use salted butter, a fresh twig of rosemary, chopped garlic and chopped onions. So I'm also going to use a bit of olive oil. The olive oil will help my butter not to burn. So heat up your pan or pot or whatever you're using. Then add in some olive oil. That should be enough. Then next, you add in a tablespoonful of butter. Oopsie. And let that melt down well. So with that, I add in my red onions. And then you let that cook to translucent, or you can brown them. I like mine when they're just translucent because you get a better taste with that. So this is how I like my onions. So next I go in with my garlic. And then you mix that in. I don't normally let my garlic overcook, because I like them when they are a bit raw or something. I don't know, but they just taste better when they've not been overcooked. So with that, I go in with my mushrooms, and then I mix that all in nicely. And you let that cook for about 4 minutes or so. So I've been cooking this for about 4 minutes. I had to pause the video for a while. So next, I'm going in with my salt. That should be enough. Followed by my non-dairy cream, cooking cream. So you can have pasta, fried potatoes, chips, baked potatoes with mushrooms. So mine, I'm going to try and have it with fries. So look at that beauty. So you need to taste for the salt. It is perfect, but I need to add a little more. But before I add in the salt, I'll add in a dash of my coconut milk, sorry. And you let that simmer for a while. It's amazing. So next, you go in with your chopped rosemary twig and let that simmer for a few seconds and turn off the heat. So for me, the secret to my mushrooms is always fresh rosemary. So my mushrooms are ready. Now we serve. So here we have it, our creamy mushrooms with fries. So again, thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up. Until next time, bye.